class 10th mathematics R.S. Agarwal exercise 3D question number 4 find the value of k for which each of the following system of equations has a unique solution. First we have to find the value of k and then we have to show that this has a unique solution. The first equation is 2x plus 3y plus minus 5 is equal to 0. Equation 1. And equation second, kx plus minus 6y plus minus 8 is equal to 0. Equation 2. 2x plus 3y plus minus 5 is equal to 0. Kx minus 6y plus minus 8 is equal to 0. In these equations, first we have to find out the value of k. We know that it is a coefficient a1 and b1 and it is c1 and it's a a2 minus 6 b2 minus 8 c2 and also we know that has a unique solution. It means for condition of unique solution, we know that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Implies value of a1 is 2. Value of a1 is 2. Value of a1 is 2. 2. Value of a2 is k. Not equal to b1 is 3 and b2 is minus 6. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja implies 2k is not equal to minus 1 by 2. Now cross multiplication. We get minus 1 and k. Minus k is not equal to 2 2 ja 4. Implies k is not equal to minus 4. K is not equal to minus 4. K is not equal to minus 4. It's a value of k and also in this equation find the value of k which of the following system of equations has a unique solution or this fulfills the 2 by k is not equal to minus 1 by 2. This equation or condition of respective this equation or conditions of respective is coefficient of variable. This equation or condition of respective coefficient of variables shows that these equations have unique solution. Next, question number 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 हो गया ना, 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज ax minus ky is equal to 2, and second equation 1, x minus ky is equal to 2, and second question is 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Equation 2. Equation 1 is x minus ky is equal to 2 and 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. And now we can write these equations as 1x plus minus k y plus minus 2 is equal to 0. Equation 1. This coefficient is a1, this is b1, and this c1. And equation 2, 3x a2 plus 2y b2 and plus 5 c2 is equal to 0. Equation 2. We have to find value of k. Find the value of k for which each of the following system of equations has a unique solution. For unique solution, we know that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, implies value of a1 is 1 by value of a2 is 3 is not equal to value of b1 is minus k by value of b2 is 2, implies, now cross multiplication, minus k and 3, minus 3k not equal to 1 and 2, 2 implies k is not equal to minus 2 by 3, is not equal to minus 2 by 3. Question number 5, answer not equal to minus 2 by 3, right. Next question number 6. Question number 6 is 5x minus 7y minus 5 is equal to 0. Equation 1. 5x minus 7y minus 5 is equal to 0. And next 2x plus ky minus 1 is equal to 0. Equation 2. We can write this equation. We can write these equations as 5x plus minus 7y plus minus 5 is equal to 0, equation 1. And equation second, 2x plus k y plus minus 1 is equal to 0, equation 2. For unique solution, for unique solution, we know the condition a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Implies value of a1 is 5, value of a2 is 2, is not equal to value of b1, it's a a1, it's a b1, it is c1, and a2, b2, c2. a1 b1 minus 7 by b2 k. Now by the cross multiplication, 5 and k, 5k not equal to 2 sevens are 14 minus 14 implies k is not equal to minus 14 by 5. Question number 6. Minus 14 by 5 not equal to answer. Next, question number 7. Question number 7. 4x plus ky plus 8 is equal to 0. Equation 1. 4x plus ky plus 8 is equal to 0. And x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Equation 2. Now we can write this equation as 4x plus k y plus 8 is equal to 0. Equation 1. It's a a1, it's a b1, it is c1, and 1x a2 plus 1y b2 plus 1 c2 is equal to 0. Equation 2. Now for unique solution, for unique solution, we know that the condition a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 implies value of a1 is 4 by 1 not equal to k by 1. Cross multiplication k and 1, k not equal to 4. Question number 7. K is not equal to 4. Next, question number 8. 4x minus 5y is equal to k. Equation 1. 4x minus 5y is equal to k. And equation 2, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Equation 2. We can write these equations as 4x plus minus 5y plus minus k is equal to 0. Equation 1. And equation 2, 2x plus minus 3y plus minus 12 is equal to 0. Equation 2. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2 and C2. For unique solution, we know the condition A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Implies A1 is 4, A2 is 2, not equal to B1 is minus 5 and B2 is minus 3. Minus minus cancel. Minus minus cancel. There, for unique solution there is value of k. Question number 8. K. In this case, in this 2 to 4. In this case, 2 by 1 is not equal to 5 by 3. Implies in this case we can say that for unique solution k is a real number. Next, question number 9. 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 In question number 9. In question number 9. In question number 9. Question number 9 is as question number 9. What is question number 9? Question number 9 is kx plus 3y is equal to k minus 3. Question 1. Kx plus 3y is equal to k minus 3 and 12x plus ky is equal to k. Equation 2. We can write these equations as k a1 x plus 3y b1 plus minus k minus, it means minus k plus 3 is equal to 0. इक्वेशन 1. जब ये RHS से LHS में जाएगा तो इसका साइन माइनस हो जाएगा और माइनस से इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो माइनस के और प्लस 3. सो इट्स फॉर्म. नेक्स्ट 12x a2 प्लस k y b2 plus minus k c2 is equal to 0. Equation 2. We know that for unique solution. For unique solution, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, implies value of a1 is k, a2 is 12, not equal to b1 is 3 and b2 is k, implies cross multiplication k into k square is not equal to 12 3 ja 36, implies k is not equal to square root of 36, implies k is not equal to plus 6 and k is not equal to minus 6. Answer. It's enough in this video. Next question I will solve in next video.